Well, hello! We are here today to take our dog out for a lovely walk at Ladybower Reservoir, but we've been shopping this morning and as you can see we have matching coats.
Fully attired.
The only thing we don't have is an orange jacket for the dog.
Or Rambo.
Which we're going to try and purchase.
Yeah, we're working on that.
So we're here today and we are going to try out some of our DJI products. Hopefully get the drone up today. The weather doesn't look too bad, but let's see what we can do. But it's picturesque out here, it's not too cold, and it's lovely. So stay tuned.
Should we get the drone up?
We should.
Let's get the drone up. So the drone's all away. It only takes under a minute to get this, get the drone on the ground, landed and back in the bag and put away. It's that quick and that compact. So Rambo's moaning, we need to take him for a good old long walk now, so
I'm going to cut some B-roll
and let's get to it. Right, she's walking off and leaving me. So we're also getting used to this Dji Osmo Mobile 3. I've not used a gimbal before, it's took me a while to get my head around it. No, that's what it's like on that camera, on the DJI one.
Well, that's not a bloody pretty mode, is it?
Right, we're just trying to find somewhere to get Rambo in the water because he's filthy.
And he needs a bath. But
yeah, Rambo loves mud.
This will just be a temporary fix until we get him home.
Yeah.
He's looking though, he is looking.
We can't take him in a pub in his state. The most coolest van I've ever seen, don't you think?
Day.
I've had a lovely day. Have you had a lovely day, Rambo?
Rambo smells. Rambo doesn't usually get this dirty, but because we've been watching the gimbal and the drone, he's been able to roam around wherever he likes, and he loves mud and sludge, don't you, Rambo? Get much drone time today, but the wind's quite high, so hopefully another day we'll get some more footage. But it looks fantastic over there to get to use a drone. We will be going back in the summer. Great place we like to go to. It's called, what's it called? Maison du Bière.
Du Bière.
A little bit of France in Barnsley, yeah? Maison du Bière it's called, and it's got a massive arrangement of exotic beers all from around Europe. We're not alcoholics, by the way.
But we do like a beer and nuts.
We do like a little bit of a dog walk. We do like a bit of a dog walk and then a little cheeky pint afterwards.
Always somewhere that allows dogs in, because that's the whole point of the day.
It is, yeah.
You have high expectations. Oh, I know that you've explained it, how I should prove myself to you.